You know that moment when your skincare routine just works? Your skin feels softer, brighter, and every product makes you excited to use it. That is exactly where I am right now. Welcome to part 2 of my Korea skin favorite, because honestly there were just too many gems to fit into one video. Hi lovies, welcome back. If you haven't seen the part 1 yet, I link it in description below and also right here on the screen somewhere here. So go watch that one after this video, because that is where I share the first half of my favorite Korea skincare products. Today we are continuing the journey with the rest of my absolute must-haves. These are the products I've been loving lately, if I am being honest. One that make my skin happy every single time I use them. So let's jump straight in, no time to waste time. So number 1 is my Kosas Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Yeah, this essence is called favorite for a reason, and I totally get the hype. With 96% snail mucin, it's like a healing drink for my skin. The texture is silky, a little stretchy, and it glides on smoothly. Yeah, really good. I reach for this when my skin barrier feels fragile and after a breakout, or when I just want that extra pump bouncing look. Its calm redness helps face most post-acne marks and deeply hydrate without feeling heavy, guys. Really good. The key is consistency, if I am being honest. I use it morning and night. My skin always looks smoother and more radiant. If you have never tried snail mucin, this is the perfect introduction. I am not sponsored, I just wish I am. While we are talking about skin essential, let's move on to the one step that protects all the hard work we put into our skincare, which is sunscreen. So I have Biora UV and Aqua Rich Essence SPF 50 plus. This sunscreen make me fall in love with sunscreen. It's so lightweight, it feels more like a refreshing gel moisturizer than sunscreen, guys. Yeah, it absorbs instantly, leave no white cast, and work perfectly under makeup. Plus it feels cooling on the skin, which make it ideal for hot or humid day. I reapply it easily during the day without that thick sticky feeling more sunscreens have. And honestly, because it feels so nice, I never skip SPF anymore, and that is saying a lot. So speaking of that, guys, you see I have backup already. I cannot just do without this SPF at this point. You see how many of the backups your girls have already? You should know how much I love this SPF, and it works wonder for women of color. Even a man can use it as well. Really good. Like, I use it today. Can you see how my skin is pumping right now? You should know how much. Like, what else do you want to know? If I'm not lying, guys, this is not just me trying to make video for the purpose of making videos. One of my friends in Lagos actually introduced me to this SPF when I went to Nigeria, and ever since then I tried other SPF, but none of them work for me. I still have them here, but these are I just said to myself, there's no point of me looking for other SPF if I have one that is working for me. I actually want to try other ones, but ever since this one is working for me, what is the point of me going back and forth to get another SPF when this one is working for your guy? We hear that already. So yeah, just showing you guys the backup. And once my skin is protected, I love to give it a concentration boost with something powerful but gentle, guys. And here I have mixed sun peptide Sika Ida shot ampoule, that's what it's called. This is like a booster shot for my skin health. Peptides help with firmness, sensitive calm, irritation, and hyaluronic acid deliver deep hydration, guys. It is not oily or heavy. It is layered beautifully under any moisturizer or SPF. I especially use it when my skin feel, stressed or look tired. It just brings it back to life. Yeah. After a week of using this, my skin always feel softer, more elastic, and just happier. And when I want to focus on brightening and even out my skin tone, this next serum is my go-to, guys. I promise you. Is the Goddess Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot. Yeah, that is what it's called. Dark Spot Serum. This is my morning glow in a bottle. Green tangerine extract is rich in vitamin C, but it's gentle enough for daily use, even for sensitive skin as well. And this is actually my second bottle. I don't know where I dropped the whole bottle. I should have showed you guys, but yeah, it helps fade dark spots, even out tones, and give my skin a fresh, brightening look. I always pair it with SPF. I showed you earlier in the daytime, and over time I've seen my old acne scar fade much better. Plus, the light citrus scent is the perfect little mood booster for my morning. I love it so much. Of course, a good routine isn't just about serum. Cleansing is where it all begins, right? And this next one is my calming cleanser of choice. It's the Mixon Centilla Cleansing Foam, and this is what it looks like, guys. This is one of the gentle foamy cleansing I've ever used, and yet it still make my skin feel properly clean. The Mixon Centilla Cleansing Foam is all about soothing and also protecting while you cleanse. It has this soft creamy foam texture that feels luxurious when you massage it in. It doesn't strip my skin at all. No tightness, no dryness, just a comfortable, refreshed feeling after rinsing. I really love it. I use this mostly in the morning for a gentle start of the day, or at night as my second cleansing after removing my makeup with an oil cleanser. It's perfect for sensitive skin days, and it's one of those cleansers I can always trust not to throw my skin off balance. Okay, guys, the next in my Korea skincare lineup is the this medical deep vitamin C capsule cream. This one is a real powerhouse. If you are looking for a brightening, to brighten your skin and even out your complexion, it's packed with 50% vitamin water and vitamin C. So in this cream, you will get that antioxidant boost to fight dullness, dark spots, and sign of aging. But here is the part that I love. It also has 5% niacinamide, which help with improving skin texture, reducing the look of pores, and giving your skin that smooth, refined finish. Let me open up. So the texture is super interesting. It's like a rich cream, with this tiny capsule that bursts as you apply, releasing fresh vitamin C right into your skin, guys. I love it. It feels luxurious but not heavy, so it's work for both morning and night. I like using it after serum step and sealing it in with the cream for the extra glow. Overall, you will notice brightening, more even toned skin, and if you are consistent, it also helps fade post-acne mark. Just remember, because it has vitamin C, it's best paired with sunscreen during the day, protect all the brightening work you are doing. So if you want that glass skin radiance with a dose of serious skincare science, this one definitely deserves a spot in your routine. Get your hand on this if you can. I have one bonus product for you guys. The one I cannot live without. You heard that. Is Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliate. Yes, guys, I couldn't finish this review without mentioning this skincare legend, Paula Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliate is my ride or die product. Yes, you hear that. It's one of those formulas that works quietly but deliver powerful results, unclogging your pores, smoothing skin texture, and even house skin tone. I love it so much. I love how lightweight it feels, how quickly it absorbs, and how it gives my skin that healthy, refined look without any, without any arch scrubbing, whether I'm dealing with congestion, dullness, or uneven tone. This is my skin reset button. If you have tried it, you will understand the hype. After just a few uses, it's truly the one product I simply cannot do without, guys. I love this product so much. I love it so much. Get your hand on this one. Yes, I mean it. And that is part 2 of my Korea skin favorites. Every single one of those products has earned a place in my routine, guys, because they truly deliver results and make my skincare time feel like self-care. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, click here or check the description below. That is where I share the first half of my favorite Korea skincare products. I know you will love those too. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with a fellow skincare lovers like us. See you in the next one. And if you want to see my face again right now, just click this video that YouTube just suggested to you. They know you're gonna like it as well. So yeah, other than that, I'll see you in the next one right now. I love it so much, guys. Bye.